Hello, my name is Harvey. Today I'm going to show you my 3 simple steps of how to take care of my dry skin. Step 1. I love to use Rice and Geranium Foaming Cleanser. It cleanses my skin thoroughly without drying it. At the same time, it gently exfoliates my skin. Step 2. Serum is so important, especially for dry skin. And Lifting Serum Plus is one of my favorite serum in all time. It helped me to fight against aging in all aspects. Step 3. I love to use waterflower fluid as my moisturizer. It gives me a boost of moisture without heavy finish. Here you go, my 3 simple steps of skincare regimen. Hope you enjoyed it.